Hey, what's up travel buddies? Thank you for joining me in today's video. Today I'm going to share my experience about a bike ride to Ramdhara. There are many moments of this trip which I cherish a lot because this was the last bike ride before COVID pandemic breakout. So do watch this video till the end and leave your valuable feedback. Ramdhara is a temple situated around 25 to 30 kilometers from the heart of Pune city. I went for a bike ride here during early monsoons and it was hell of a ride. There were open roads to rev freely and there were some bad patches where I had to be extremely cautious. Nonetheless, it was an exciting ride. When I reached the destination, it was so peaceful. The area is thickly covered with big tall trees which would refresh your mind. There is an open space for parking your ride. I looked around and there it was, the temple surrounded by lake on three sides. Now let's take a walk inside the temple. There are many sculptures that would catch your eye. After coming out of the temple, I went further towards the back side of it. There I could see flock of ducks roaming around freely. I must say I never came so close to ducks ever before in my life. And they seemed quite okay with humans around them. Well, I had quite a wonderful time there. I hope you too enjoyed this video. If so, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon for receiving notification of my future videos. And in the comment section below, please leave your valuable feedback or suggest your favorite places for me to visit. So folks, that's all in this video. Thank you for sticking around if you have made till the end of this video. I will see you in next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, have a great day.